let's create this part. So just let me enter into new part design. Let's say okay. For example, on the front plane, I'll go for sketch. Here we are having pentagon, which is having 5 sides with reference to circumscribed of circle diameter of 20. Now polygon, we need 5 sides. Here inscribed circle means polygon will be created outside of the circle. Circumscribed circle means polygon will be created inside of the circle. Now as you can see, polygon should be created inside of the circle. So we'll go for circumscribed of circle with 5 sides with reference to origin point like this. Then dimension for this outer circle we are having diameter of 20. Relation between this point to this origin point, we need here vertical relation. Let's say okay. Then exit sketch, we need to make this extrude boss. As you can see, total thickness we are having here 1 mm. Let's give 1 mm here. Let's say okay. Then next to that, with these shapes we need to remove material with a depth of 0.5. So on the front face we'll go for sketch, make it normal, we'll create the shape. This profile we are having with this origin point to this end, vertically we are having 3.9, all these gaps we are having 0.4. Now just I'll go for line, I'll create one profile like this. Then dimension from this line to this line, gap we are having here 0.4. Same this point to this point, in this direction we are having 0.4. Dimension from this point to this point we are having 3.9. Then relation between this origin point to this point, we need straight, we'll make it here vertical. Let's say okay. Now same one more relation between this line to this line, we need here equal. Let's say okay. Same like that, we'll create this shape also. Let me go for line. Just we'll create one line somewhere from here like this up to here to this. Then add relation between line to line, we need here parallelism. Let's say okay. Dimension between line to line, we need here 0.4. Then this end to this point like this we are having here 0.4. Then this to this we are having here 0.4. Let's give this dimension 0.4. Now as you can see here, this profile will be moving freely like this. Then here just I'll create one construction line from this origin to this like this. Then add relation between this construction line to midpoint of this profile. We'll make it here coincident, proper to that it will come. Let's say okay. Dimension from origin point to this end point, horizontally we are having 3.9 like this. Then same profile we need this side. So to make mirror, just I'll create one construction vertical line somewhere from here to here. We will go for mirror entitles. So just I need to make mirror these 3 profiles with reference to this. Let's say okay. Then let's create this shape also. So again we'll go for line. Just we'll create this shape from this to this like this up to here to this. Add relation line to line, we need here parallel. Let's say okay. Dimension from this to this we are having here 0.4. Then same this to this we are having here dimension of 0.4. You can give whatever the dimension we want like this. Then same this point to this one we are having here 0.4 like this. Just I will delete this. let's select the dimension and delete it. We need dimension from this point to point, dimension from this to this in this direction. We are having here 0.4. Then same here also, just we'll create one center line for construction from origin to this point. Then we will apply relation between this line to this midpoint of this line. We'll make it here coincident. Let's say okay. Then dimension from this to this we are having here also 3.9. Let's give the dimension. Again same shape we need to make mirror. We'll go for mirror. We need to make mirror all these three with reference to this vertical line. Let's say okay. Now just go here with exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to remove material, so we need to go for extruded cut with a depth of only 0.5. Let's give the dimension and let's say okay. So properly the shape you will get here like this. Then if you want to apply some colors, just we can go here with appearance. We will apply some color here. So just I'll apply some color with this. Then only for this face I need to change some color. Just we'll go for face. I'll apply some different color like this. Let's say okay. Like this we can create this. So if you want to insert any symbol here, just we'll create like Avengers symbol. Now here we'll go for sketch, make it normal. So just we'll use here text option exactly here with only letter of A we want. Let's create this A here. Now to increase this size, just we'll go with use document font turn off, go for font, increase the size how much we want. Let me give some 6 here. We'll check like this. Again if you want more, just we can increase the size. For example some 8 I'll give here. Just we'll make position properly like this. Then say okay, exit sketch. Now with this shape we need to add material front side. So here we can go with wrap. Sketch already we have selected. So face we need this face. We need to add material with this shape, some 1 mm thickness. Just I'll give 1 mm thickness. Let's say okay. Or else we can edit that. We can give very less. Just I'll give some 0.2 depth. Let's say okay. Now same only for this wrap. If we want to apply color, we can go for appearance. For wrap we can apply here different color. So let me give some different color here. Let's say okay. So like this we are able to create this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.